Do you enjoy the outdoors? Has geography always been one of your favorite subjects? Do you love exploring the Earth? Do you have a good understanding of technical and mathematical ideas? Do you want to study at one of the world's best universities? Then the Geodesy and Earth Observation degree program at the Technical University of Munich is for you. Our bachelor's program involves observing and visualizing the Earth. You will collect data, create interactive maps, develop 3D models, and thereby shape the future of our planet. With the help of satellites, you will measure changes on Earth. You will monitor whether dams are stable, whether the next mountain hike is safe, or whether extreme weather events are about to happen. In practical exercises, you will strengthen your team spirit, try out a wide range of courses, and conduct research on current projects. Munich is a vibrant, welcoming city with a global vibe and a big heart. It's home to leading international companies that offer fantastic career opportunities, both here and around the world. Dive into the exciting world of geodesy at TUM, where exploring, observing, and digitizing our planet shapes your future.